How no makati?
I'm not the
Hey, when we set up, I see like no, that's
valid.
Kenya, the largest economy in East and Central Africa and the sixth largest on the African continent, offers investors a stable market growing at a rate of 5% annually. This isn't just a place to pause, it's a place to scale. Located at the heart of Africa, Kenya is an established and mature democracy with over $50 trillion in global market access and trade corridors connecting economies and people. Kenya offers scale, stability, and speed for global capital. From agriculture to apparel and leather manufacturing and much more, Kenya produces for the world. From our fertile lands to global shelves, Kenya feeds the world with quality and consistency, exporting tea, coffee, flowers, avocados, nuts, and herbs to every continent. From electric mobility, pharmaceuticals, to green innovation and technology, we are building the industries of tomorrow. Here, power is renewable, with over 93% green energy driving industry, cities, and sustainable growth. From smart buildings to eco-lodges to electric vehicles, Kenya is redefining sustainable living at scale. From all corners of our country to the region's capital, our road, rail, and air networks connect businesses to opportunities. This is Africa's Silicon Savannah, where technology powers inclusion and innovation drives growth. Fintech moves billions daily, with mobile money connecting people and driving businesses. Home to 85% of East Africa's tech startups, Kenya is the continent's digital gateway, ranked #1 in Africa on startup funding. At the Nairobi Securities Exchange, capital flows with confidence, fueling enterprise and new frontiers of opportunity. One of the best performing stock exchanges in Africa. Supported by a robust banking and financial ecosystem, Kenya is a regional financial hub on the continent. Across special economic zones and industrial parks with progressive fiscal benefits, opportunity
Take it out our mind and sing. You could have give peace and love, African family. Peace, love, and sunlight. This is Ank Eru from jamtoursafrica.com, exporthavenrealty.com, veganchoicefoods.com, the vegan Jamaican restaurant over there in Nairobi, Lavington, right beside opposite Urban Oasis, right beside Nairobi's family. So you need to get some Jamaican food, pull up and show up, guys. So in this video, guys, it's a nice sunny day. Skies are blue, as you can see. Just feel like I'm driving through Jamaica right now. So I'm just showing that to you, and you know what I mean. But anyway, guys, you know what I mean. As you know, the kids are actually off from school, so I have to be there helping Miss Jam Tours with the kids, them. You know what I mean. But I want to tap in some forex trading, so I'm actually doing some forex trading, family. So if I can tap in the market and see if I can eat the food, because you know what I mean, with the war we are going, a whole heap of things get affected, and you know what I mean, I'm just try to use that trend for eat the food. So I deal with that, and I just want to come, guys, and make this video because now you know, I see like 3 videos I want to react on. One video is the president of Kenya is actually put a video on his social inviting, you know, people to come and invest in Kenya. So I want to play that video for your family. You might watch this video, you might watch that video. The first video you might watch is that video. You know what I mean? I don't know if they're going to copyright me or whatever. I'm going to try and do something about it, but I'll show you guys. You know what I mean? And then now I'm actually want to make this video to guys explain to you guys, you know what I mean, why actually you should invest in Kenya, family. You know what I mean? Also, I see another guy, a Tanzania guy in South Africa, that them actually you know, him have a little small business, and them actually don't want foreigner in them countries, so them are march and a whole lot of stuff, family. I want to also comment on a video that my brother share with me that actually there is this actually YouTuber come up in Kenya, and he was arrested and all kind of thing and all kind of things. So I just wanted to, you know, give my thoughts on those comments, family, so you guys can understand, you know, what is that. When you come on to like you coming to Kenya, family, you have to understand, you know what I mean, you have to come with the intention to develop and give jobs and create, you know what I mean, create a better life for the locals. You can't come here and do what the locals do, family. You know what I mean? You have to come and give the local opportunity for the locals. So when you come in Kenya, you have to have a back of your mind that anything that you're going to be doing is nothing like what the locals are doing. You know what I mean? So maybe the reason for that situation happening actually South Africa is that it's local. They feel like say this, well, I would want to say foreigner or whatever, but you know what I mean, some outsider come in and actually, you know, want to take over our jobs and stuff, and you know what I mean, and having these little small things that the locals should have and stuff. You know what I mean? You know, I'm gonna look and say, yo, Ray. You know, say, yo, you know what I mean, if somebody is on the lower level in life, and you know what I mean, they see somebody come out of nowhere and come actually take up them opportunity, they're gonna feel away. So you know what I mean? So I just want to let you guys know, when you come to Kenya, family, just come with your mindset that you're going to create something so the Kenyans, them, anything we do, the Kenyans, them eat or feed from it. Everything we might do, everything that I do, Kenyans feed from it. Everything that I do, any business deals or anything I cut, there's always a Kenyan in it that gets some part of the money or get paid somewhere, or you know what I mean? Or just offer them appreciation or whatever, family. But trust me, that's how I do my thing. And so when people come here and you have just a regular YouTuber, content creator, I think content creation is just for the locals, family. You know what I mean? There should be no foreigner here doing content creation to make money. When I do my video, I make my video to make money. I make my videos to promote my actually whatever I'm selling, family. That's how me use social media. I don't do social media to make money, because when you do social media to make money, you have to have some form of drama and all kind of thing. Maybe that YouTuber guy actually you know, just a walk because he want people to see him and all kind of things. The drama to put on channel to get views and all kind of thing. So I just let you know, family, that my personal opinion, you know, is that when you come to Kenya, you shouldn't be doing what the locals doing. Do something that actually the local them can feed off for you. Some opportunity come from you creating something for them, family. So that's how I see it.
Is there a problem? Huh? I'm busy right now, brother. I'm busy.
You're going where?
Huh?
Your name?
My name is Cameron.
Come from where?
America.
Where's your ID?
Or passport?
For what?
A passport or
Why do I need to give you my passport?
you live where?
Why does it matter?
Huh?
Why?
No problem, you can tell me. No problem.
But why?
Because I get information about recording or something. Or,
Am I not allowed to record? Well, go on, G.
hey,
Yes. My name is Cameron.
what are you doing?
Me? Oh, what you doing?
Come.
Why you grabbing me?
What's your name?
My name is Cameron. I just told you.
From where?
America. Why are you grabbing me, brother?
What's the demand for this? Why are you taking camera? Why are you taking videos?
I'm a tourist.
Why are you taking videos?
I can't take videos.
No, I just like a station with. Who told you to take the videos?
This is my job, brother.
Are you a content creator?
Yes. Am I doing something wrong? Illegal? Am I a criminal?
Very illegal.
Yo! I just got out the fucking police station, bro. Yo. Oh my God. Is just trying to take a righteous man down. What the f? Yo, them try to beat me. All that.
Another video, as I said, and that an ongoing and with the South Africa situation where you find, so you know what I mean, the man them a beat up the man them because, you know, then come and start a little giant. I know some African country people them lazy and lay back, you know what I mean? But in Kenya, people very hardworking family, you know what I mean? People very hardworking, people very smart, people know how to do things in Kenya. So, you just want to come with the idea. And anything you see me create and me create, the Kenyans them create it. Me just come with the idea and formulate it and put it together. Then when the one who create it, bring it to life. You know what I mean? So Kenyans, they can bring anything you want to life, family. Anything. You know what I mean? Any idea you have in your head, there's always somebody out there to get the job done. You know what I mean? So that's what I'm saying, family. So we want to talk about in this rest of this video, family. I want to talk about you know what I mean, why the president tell you to come and invest in Kenya. So you can understand, say, I know me I say it. I know me said, family. And the president of Kenya said, I know me, but just I give you, you know what I mean? Some maybe most people not really look upon it to understand, you know what I mean, what is happening in Kenya. Because I'm on the ground, so I can see, I'm experiencing it, so I can tell in your family. So point number one, Nairobi is the gateway. Nairobi is not just a city, it's a business hub of East Africa. From here, you will connect to Uganda, Tanzania, Rwanda, and a whole regional market. So you have a whole East African market will come with a business family. Global companies, UN office, tech startup, they are all here. You know what I mean? Point number two, economic growth. Kenya is one of the fastest growing economies. We are talking tech, real estate, tourism, agriculture, everything is expanding. And the key thing about growth is being early. the key thing, family, is to be in early, family. Not show up when everything done and over with. You know what I mean? Yeah. So, you know what I mean? So, you know, point number three, real estate. You know what I mean? As I said, Jam Tours, I offer real estate services, free real estate tour. If you decide to book an apartment through Jam Tours, you get all of these, you know, government documents for free. You know what I mean? Also a free immigration consultation, so you know what to do next. You know what I mean? When you buy an apartment. You know what I mean? So all of these things tied into exporthavenrealty.com. We have a lot of off-plan properties coming up in Nairobi. So if you want to come and pay a 20% down and go away and go work and come back, you know what I mean? You make your monthly installment, and while you pay, actually, the apartment a bill. When the apartment bill, you can just jump out of Babylon and know, say, yeah, you have a roof over your head. The most important thing, family, is to have a roof over your head, family. You know what I mean? You have a piece of land and have a roof over your head. What more you want in a life? You know what I mean? Never me have that yet. I'm there to talk to you. So, you know what I mean? I am just actually giving out jewels right now to you. That, you see, I come here with nothing. And now I have a family and I have a whole lot of stuff. The future look bright for me, family. Very bright. So let me actually go back to this. So this real estate family, this is where a lot of smart people are putting their money. Nairobi real estate is growing fast, especially in areas like Westland, Kilimani, Kileleshwa, you know what I mean, Lavington, Riverside, Lower Kabeti, you know what I mean, Kiambu, all of these places. So you got Airbnb income, long-term rentals, property appreciation. You know what I mean? That's multiple stream of one investment. You see what I'm saying, family? So you come as a family, you can't lose. You can't lose because the country is developing and you just need to come and invest. And where I think most people can afford to live in New York, because they need to go early. And you go early, you have a few condo, a few apartments, you end up living in one of them and the rent pay for your lifestyle in New York. So that's what I try to preach and I teach to no family. You can come to Kenya with a little money and make it. You don't even have to do nothing with your money, just come and invest. You know what I mean? Invest. You know, you have a business. First you start a business, then you start investing. Then you start putting money for work for you. When the money I work for you are the best thing they can ever do family. You know what I mean? So the multiple stream of one investment, diaspora movement. Right now, people from UK, USA, Caribbean are coming back to Africa. Not just visiting, but relocating, buying properties, starting businesses. And Kenya is one of the top choices. Lower entry, higher upside. Compared to West, you can enter the market with less capital, but the upside much bigger. So tech and future growth. Kenya is called the Silicon Savannah for a reason. M-Pesa changed the world, family. M-Pesa, let me tell you what M-Pesa family. I think no other country move money fast like Kenya. You know what I mean? I think no other country, family. You don't need no bank, you don't need nothing. M-Pesa, you know what I mean? The next wave of innovation is coming from here. You know what I mean? So, you know what I mean? Kenya is the backbone of enough things that people don't understand. Lifestyle, emotional closing. And there is a thing most people don't talk about. You are not just investing in money, you are investing in a lifestyle. Good weather, strong community, nature, family environment. It's a serious situation for when you think about this. When you say good weather, the weather is definitely good. Look here, I feel like a Jamaica me there. You know what I mean? Strong community. You know what I mean? Community is very strong. When I mean that if the government try to do something, the people can come out. Nature, look how Nairobi green. You know what I mean? Family environment. You know what I mean? Your family place family friendly. Your kids can go somewhere, everywhere, and have to worry about someone that will try to kidnap them and all kind of these things. You know what I mean? You're building a life, not just an income. You hear that, family? Building a life. Closing eye conversion. So the real question is not should I invest in Kenya. The real reason is will you move early or wait until it's too late? You know what I mean? If you're serious about relocating, investing, even just understanding how to get started, link up with Jam Tours. Call to action, very important for your business. Book a one-time, lifetime, you know what I mean, with me. I'll guide you step-by-step guide, where to live, where to invest, how to avoid mistake, and how to move smart in Kenya. You know what I mean? So, link is in the description. Go click it, family, and join the moving back to Africa. Organize, centralize, come as one.